Abdali Grammar School. Primary Mathematics, second. Lesson Time. Chapter number 14. Lecture number 2. 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Dear kids, today we are going to learn about time by using AM and PM. First of all, we need to understand what is AM and PM in time. AM. We use AM to tell the time from just after 12 midnight to just before 12 noon. The abbreviation AM stands for antemeridium. In Latin words, ante means before and meridies mean midday. So, AM means before midday. What is AM stand for? AM stands for antemeridium. Now, I define you what is PM. We use PM to tell the time from 12 noon to just before 12 midnight. The abbreviation PM stands for post meridium. In Latin, post means after and meridies mean midday. So, PM means time after midday. What is PM stand for? PM stands for post meridium. Now, I define you AM and PM. Ali asked Sarah where she was at 8 o'clock. Sarah said that she was in school and also at home at 8 o'clock. Was Sarah telling the truth? Yes. Sarah was in class at 8 in the morning. We write the time as 8 a.m. As you know, we use AM to tell the time from 12 midnight to just before 12 noon. Sarah was at home at 8 at night. We write the time as 8 p.m. because we use PM to tell the time from 12 noon to just before 12 midnight. It's mean Sarah was telling the truth. Dear kids, now can you tell me the time by using AM or PM? In this picture, the children are playing badminton. They are playing in the morning. What time is it? It is 9:20. They are playing in the morning, so we write the time as 9:20 a.m. What is the time? It is 9:20 a.m. Now, in this picture, the boy is watching television at night. What is the time? The time is 9:15. He is watching television in night, so we write it 9:15 p.m. because it's a night time. What time is it? It is 9:15 p.m. Now, look at this picture. The children are having their dinner. What time is it? It is 8:10. They are having their dinner, so the time is 8:10 p.m. because it's a night time. Look here. The girl is in the park in the morning. What time is it? It is 8:05 a.m. because she was in the park in the morning. So we write it the time as 8:05 a.m. What is the time? It's a 8:05 a.m. Now we are going to learn about telling time after. This is Farhan. Farhan went to library to read at 1 p.m. After 1 hour, he went to the canteen for lunch. What time did Farhan go to the canteen? This is 1 o'clock and this time is 2 o'clock. 1 hour later, 1 o'clock is 2 o'clock. 2 p.m. is 1 hour after 1 p.m. Farhan went to the canteen at 2 p.m. The minute hands make a complete round in 60 minutes. How much time does minute hand takes to complete its round? Yes, minute hands make a complete round in 60 minutes. Now look at here. This is Sarah. She is on bus stop. She reached the bus stop at 8 o'clock. This is 8 o'clock and this time is 8:30. Sarah reached the bus stop at 8 a.m. She boarded the bus at 8:30 a.m. 8:30 a.m. is half an hour after 8 a.m. The time half an hour later 8 is 8:30. We write MIN for minutes. 1/2 hour is the same as 30 minutes. How much time Sarah waited for the bus? Yes, Sarah waited half hour or 30 minutes for the bus. Now, look at this next example. In this picture, Maha is sleeping. It is 7 o'clock and it is 8 o'clock. Maha wakes up 1 hour later, 7 a.m. 1 hour later, 7 a.m. is 8 a.m. What time does Maha wakes up? Maha wakes up at 8 a.m. I hope it was fun for you to learn the concept of AM, PM and telling time after with me. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Abdali Grammar School Official, 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore.